Did you know the right cable assembly can boost your system's efficiency by up to 30%? Let's dive into the essential design factors that can transform your electronic systems with optimal performance and reliability. Cable assemblies are more than just wires and connectors. They're engineered solutions designed to meet specific needs. From conductor selection to cable geometry, understanding these elements helps balance technical requirements, performance, and cost. Environmental factors play a crucial role in cable assembly design. Consider extreme temperatures, chemical exposure, and mechanical stress. For instance, industrial settings demand materials that withstand harsh conditions without compromising performance. Proper material selection ensures longevity and reliability. Partnering with experienced manufacturers can optimize your design process. They offer insights on material selection and manufacturing efficiency. This collaboration often results in improved performance, reduced wattage, and faster time to market, making it a win-win. At Circuit Assembly, we're committed to delivering custom cable solutions tailored to your needs. Like and subscribe for more insights into optimizing your electronic designs.